Dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you will die today. Wilson Churchill. Pessimists see difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Walt Disney. The best way to get started is to quit typing and begin doing. Walt Disney. You learn more from failure than from success. Don't let it stop you. Failure builds character. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. If you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. Failure will never overtake me. If my determination is true, success is strong enough.